Alright guys, so I'm making this video because I'm putting a different motor on my boat, Johnson Evinrude 70, and I do not have the wiring harness for the tilt and trim, as I sold that boat and accidentally left it with that boat and trying to make my own harness. And I spent countless hours on the internet and YouTube trying to figure out what wires what for tilt and trim and couldn't figure it out. So hopefully this can help some of you if you're having troubles. This is the old system on my 75 Stinger. Kind of confusing. And the new system, I've never seen this before, but it actually has the solenoids mounted up here, and then you have your 5 wires coming out. And I figured out blue, sky is up, green, grass is down, red is power, and then your black and white wire are actually for your tilt and trim gauge. So now when I made my own harness, but connected these and got just a normal wiring harness, and then coming out of here I have red is red, green is green, and then just black is that blue wire. And then run it nice all the way over here. And because coming off of the new control box, you have this plug, which is your obviously up down power, but from here to the plug that was in the motor I did not have. So now this is my new wiring harness that is going to this. Alright, so we got that all soldered up. Red to red, green to green, and then like I said, black is blue. Up, down. So yeah, that's that. Now just put braided loom on this, make it all look pretty, and yeah, hopefully this was a helpful video for those of you that are looking to make a plug or just trying to figure out what wires what. Like I said, green is grass down, blue is sky up, red's power, and then black and white are for your trim gauge. So yeah. So here we go, it's all finished up. Got the nice braided loom on all those lines, even did the shift cables. Put a nice loop in it there, so when you turn the motor, no wires get pinched, nothing gets tight. And yeah, even did down here, had a couple extra chunks. Everything's all nice and wire loomed, and get the boat out for some laps, do some testing, and yeah, next thing will be get that out and do the fuel cell. So like I said, hope this video helps you guys if you don't know what wires are what for your tilt and trim, and if you're going to make your own harness like I did. And yeah.